Go.
We're outside our new hotel. Walk away from the camera eating.
I think you could just pull that one open there, bud. Alright, pull it open. No, the haunted hallway. Thanks, bud.
No, door is for the view.
Alright. Is this our room?
Mm-hmm. I got it.
Okay, pull out the card.
Why is there so much? So much, so many.
Alright, palm trees in.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, turn it around. There, try it that way. Pull. Let me give you a hand, bud. Alright, go.
Quick.
Yep. Quick like a bunny. Alright, give it a tour.
Bedroom.
Right.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Do you want to show JJ and give him a pet? Alright. Not a...
Our bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
There's a toilet. It's that part. Looks like I think it's filled with poo.
You think so?
Doodle.
I think the cat's following you.
And
What else?
last but not least, the AC.
Yeah, let's take a look at that view. Why don't you open up the windows?
I turned it to 4.
Turn it to 4.
The AC.
How do you... Oof! It's bright. Look outside. What do you think, bud? Pretty green?
Yep.
Yeah? Alright, what do you got to say to everybody who's watching your videos?
Thank you. I can subscribe. Our toilet paper gone.
That's right.